In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your HP TextJet 4100 series printer with Chromebook. Now, first step is to enter this printer into the setup mode. So go to the control panel. On the control panel, we have to press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button together and wait for the power light to flash. Release the buttons. This light will stay on after a few seconds and the blue light will start to flash. That means your printer has entered into the setup mode. Now go to your Chromebook. Download the HP Smart app from the App Store. Here we have to add the printer. So you will see there is a plus button on the top. So select it and set up a new printer. So get started. Use Wi-Fi. Continue. You will see HP TextJet 4100 series here. Select it. It will show up the Wi-Fi network of your home. So enter the password and click on the continue button. When you see the flashing information button on the printer screen, you have to simply press that button. You will see the blue light is on. That means your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Complete the setup using the Chromebook. If you think your Chromebook is taking too long, you can simply close the HP Smart app. You can simply close the HP Smart app and open it again. Now click on the plus button again for the setup and go to the second option, add a printer that's already set up. Add printer. You will see HP TextJet 4100 series here. And instantly we can see our printer in the app. Now we have to complete the setup from here. So click on the finish setup. Again it will ask you to press the information button. Press it once. Connected printing services. Continue. Select the country you want to use this printer. You can activate the HP services, or if you don't want, you can click do not activate HP Plus. Decline HP offer. If you want, you can just sign in and get this offer as you get discount on the instant ink. The next thing is to create a HP account. If you want to use full feature, then you have to sign in and create a HP account. Remind me later. It says to load paper. So open the rear paper tray and click on continue. Select auto update for your printer and click on the apply button. Setup is complete. So our printer is connected and it's ready to print. So print a document and click on the print icon. So here we can see our printer is connected and it's working. It has started to print. So open the front door. Now go to the Chromebook screen so that we can finish the setup process. Now here you can send a link to other devices or you can skip it. And you will see your printer is ready. It shows estimated level of ink. You can also do the scanning. You can click on the printer scan button, place a page in the feeder tray or on the scanner and click on the scan. So overall it's very easy to set up this printer with the Chromebook if you follow all the steps. Thanks for watching.